Alright, hey YouTube, today I'm playing Clown. As you can see, this is not a clown, it's photos. This is Clown. I wonder if I should use this clown outfit. Oh yeah. Now we're cooking with grease. Alright. Be using, I definitely need to get rid of that. And like I said, I'll be using the hatch offering at Killer Shack. So just in case you know. No, I was gonna press right. Yeah. Anyways, we got an Alucard. We got 3 toolboxes. I swear, this is probably one of them bully squads, isn't it? It's gonna be one of those bully squads. I usually don't see a 3-man with toolboxes, and it's not a bully squad. Either they're gonna be trying to get rid of my hooks, or they're gonna be pumping pins out. Oh man. All right. Well, let's see. This will be something else. Oh yeah, so tired. Not really. After this video, I will be doing Adept Spirit, and I think that one will go way better than Clown. I'm not very good at Clown, as you'll see in this gameplay. And don't let anybody else try to tell you different. I'm not that good at Clown. I'm not good with a lot of killers. Well, I'm not a one-trick pony, but I'm decent. I'm at least decent. Uh, Survivor, on the other hand, like I'm on and off. Like I'll be having games where I'll loop for 5 gens, and the second I start talking shit, I get shit on. So it's like, this is the new version. Ooh, yes. More likely spawn there. Oh, the door is like wide open. Let's see where they spawn. I don't see anybody there. Probably Shaq. Swing. That would be nice. Sure. Wow, that got done quick. Which means there's at least 3 there. Free hit, I'll take that. She didn't leave. Nice try trying to use that on. Check this just in case. Joker, she tried me. 2 in the basement at the beginning of the game. Wow, all because of one person, and they wanted to do a crazy play. Nothing there. Back. Might as well defend this. Wow, how long is that? How long is that? Wow, she made that picture. Healing over there? Healing? Or is that a diversion? That's a diversion. I swear I heard somebody. She wants me to get away from the gen. must be doing a different gen somewhere. They must be doing a gen in that. Right here. Are you kidding me? How to get there? Look at the corner. Maybe? There's something around there. What? I didn't make that? Like I was gonna go there or something? Like that gen over there is gonna get done with whoever that was over there. Oh my goodness. That works like none. Like never works. I don't know why they keep doing that shit wrong. It's so easy. It's like one of them has this is a good 3-10. They're pumping out that gen over there. God, you fall for the stupidest every time. God, yeah, your name's Stinker because you suck. Jeez, brother, you suck. You from the Sabo? That's fine. Oh my God, you are a stinker. God, you fall for every little thing, don't you? Thank you, you fool. Get out of here. You fool. That's 2 right here done. Do I get to stop this in time? Like, hello individual, like, I know where your friend is, not something. You have nothing. Yeah. Oh, you're an easy batch. You're an easy batch. Let me make sure I get this going. Yeah, let me get a little bit of that speed, bucko. I guarantee you 100% you're gonna make it up to you. Told you wouldn't make it to your friend. Why? Because you're a fool. You fell for every trick in the dang book. Dang. Oh no, don't DC now. Y'all thought y'all were real clever with a no, don't DC now, Alucard. You thought you were real clever with these head-ons. Hey, let me teabag in front of you so you can come get me. Like, well, you don't know what's gonna work. Last time I saw him, he was like around here, so maybe? There he is. Hello, Alucard. I'll kill you too. Stop him out. Yeah. Let me get them fingies. Chicken fingies. Yeah, chicken fingies. Yeah, lick them. Pause. Alright, well, as you can see at the top up there, that is Adept Clown done. Thank goodness. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified whenever I come out with a video. I'm more than likely uploading daily, maybe one or two videos daily, so we can get to that mark of February 1st. If you have not seen the poll I put up, you can go to my channel. I posted a poll to see which games you guys wanted to see next. And yeah, make sure you vote before February 1st. That's when we'll start that Let's Play series on whichever set of games win. I will see you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.